Hello YouTubers, we are back with another Pinchme box. Okay, so if you haven't seen my other Pinchme videos, I suggest you go and watch those. But if you're curious, you go and you want to sign up for this, go to pinchme.com. You can sign up with Facebook, it's free to sign up, fill out your profile, and either wait for them to send you an email telling you to fill up your Pinchme box, or go check your account every now and then. And in the top right, you'll see a little box, and if it has a 1 in it, click on it and it'll tell you to fill up your box. Okay, let's see what we got today. Ooh, coffee. Now, in my last couple videos, I got these little coffee tablet things, and I couldn't use those. But these ones, this one I can use. It looks like it's, what they say, it's Folgers coffee. This is like a whole pot of coffee right here, so. Okay. Oh. Another let's see, yeah. HelloFresh $50 gift card. Now, to the gift card winner who won, I apologize. I did not know these do not work in Canada. I apologize. But I'm still new to this whole loveliness. So, if I ever do another card giveaway, I'll make sure that the card either works in Canada, or depending on the card, I'll say it does not work out of the United States. So, yeah. Okay. Ooh, we got some dog food. Here we go. Doggy food. A little can of doggy food. My little dog right down there will love that. All right. Looks like some hair samples or something. A root touch-up sample. I guess you pick one of these or something, and do the thing. I'm not entirely sure what the hell this is, to be honest. I got what is this? Oh, a coupon. Sweet. $3 off, it looks like. Yeah. Looks like this takes $3 off. So that'll be fun. And then the last thing in here, a little packet of peanut butter. No butter. It's peanut butter, people. So, yeah. I think that's it. Yep. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. Bye!